1 tablespoon chia seeds. Half a glass of water. Mix it well and leave it for 15 minutes. One apple. Cut into pieces. Transfer into a bowl. Mint. Please subscribe my channel. Transfer into a bowl. 1 carrot. Cut into pieces. One lemon. Squeeze the juice and set aside. We will need it later. Take a blender. Apple pieces. Carrot and mint. After soaking, one tablespoon lemon juice. Blend all the ingredients and make a puree. This recipe will be a healthy breakfast. Add half a glass of water. I am using 250 milliliters water to make this drink. That will fill you up with energy and nutrients and help you lose weight. Drink this drink for 2 weeks. You can see the differences, especially on stomach area.